What were you saying about how good of a caster and how good of a fisherman you are?
You mean how bad I was?
Yeah, what was it you were saying?
That I'm absolutely terrible?
We're making a movie. I'm going to immortalize you.
That's about 20 feet.
Maybe I can film the moment when fish takes bait. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Well, while we wait for the impossible to happen, let's do a video tour of beautiful ice lakes. Ice lake, one lake. Ooh, tall mountains. Now here we are at 7,850 feet. So those mountains towering above us are almost 10,000 feet high. And in just about 90 minutes or so, we are going to head off for that big white one there, hiding behind the brown one. And we'll be at the top of that today. Love the reflections. These mountains we're looking at now, it's called the Hurwall Divide. It divides her wall from his wall. Okay, that's the worst joke ever told in the history of the Eagle Cap Wilderness. And it doesn't look like any fish are taking the bait, so I think we're going to wrap up this movie. Hello to everyone at northwesthikers.net.